episode burgers leading the pack. J-Benz and Donald are in the back. Stay tuned for more bangers on the track.
Burgers on YouTube. Firing up the right. Hit the like and subscribe. Come along for the ride.
Nice.
Burgers on YouTube. Sharing the thrill. In for the freedom. The spirit, the chill.
Twilight's low to the Swisher house. That's where I'll go. Stars align and guide my way. In the whispers of night, I'll lay.
Have you ever motorcycled on weed? Doing motorcycles on weed, man.
Don't tell anybody yet. Come on.
Stay tuned to see if he does more weed. All right, I'm taking a leak.
One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you small, and the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits and you know you're going to fall, tell 'em a hookah smoking caterpillar has given you a call. Call Alice when she was just small. When the men on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, and you just had some kind of mushroom, and your mind is moving low. Go ask Alice, I think you'll know. Logic and proportion have fallen sloppy dead, and the white knight is talking backwards, and the red queen's on with her head. Remember what the dogma said. Beat your head, beat your
More of the strip we're gonna repurpose. That sweet boy.
Lady's just been blowing for like 20 minutes, trying to make sure the road's really covered in dust. I can't believe we had to break the rig. God damn it!
It's not my favorite.
It's mine, dude.
Never Jane, ever again. I need to keep my testosterone in my dick.
Okay.
And let it swell up. I need to let it swell. Maximum capacity, you're gonna unleash. Should I take this?
It's still going.
Sorry, Johnny. Pull towards that. There's a route on our side. Never mind.
Wow. Hey. Yeah, you go boys. This is mulch. This is... Yo, yo. More mulch?
No.
Yeah, this will be it.
I don't think we're gonna use all of it.
Okay.
We pull it down there, sticking it up.
You want to cook me up a hot dog or something, dude, while I'm doing this? Yeah, me too, bro. Were you doing like reverse Hodor or something?
Out in the yard under morning light, with my hands in the dirt, everything's feeling right.
Why are you saying that?
Not just fresh
Is that from internet? Probably from internet, right?
Digging holes, trimming trees, living free, burning green, clouded dreams. Can't you see?
All right, we're gonna get one fat goon load in this barrel.
Move some rocks, plant some seeds, work is my creed. Toiling under the sun with a joyous weed. Mulching piles, sweat on brows, the garden's my stage, and in my pocket lies my peace sage. Breaking lines, cutting vines in the summer's glee. With sacred smoke, feeling fine and free.
Whoa.
Good?
That wasn't even me, it was Liam. Loser. Loser. Pricktoid. Big mulch chunk.
So rev your engine, feel the rush. With